Hello guys, so good morning. We are at Ecoland SM here in Davao City. So this time we're going to attend a graduation. At the moment we're walking to go to the event site or the location. So while we're walking, I'm going to tour you here at SM Ecoland. So this is a place where you can find different kind of things here. This is a big mall here in Ecoland, Davao, where you can find everything that you need, mostly everything that you need. They have different kind of shops here where you can find the things that you want to buy. So here there's even a national bookstore where they're selling different kind of school supplies, books, and uh, office supply is also here. And then there's even place where you can buy things that you want here also. Now we are here crossing the street because the location of the graduation is at the other side, so we need to cross the street here. It's in the ground floor. It is you have to walk and cross the street, but on the second floor you can just cross, not crossing the street, but continuously went through to the other side. So here we're walking, and then we go to the entrance again. Before entering, it is a protocol to, of course, check the bag of the customers that entering the facilities, so that to make sure that everything is safe. So now my bag is being checked. So now we're looking around. So there's a bread talk. It's this bakery where you can buy different kind of bread. So now we're walking, going there. They're walking around, roaming around, while we are still looking for the place where the graduation is going to be held. So here's where you can find different kind of sunglasses and eyeglasses, that brand, or and there's even that one where you can find different kind of donuts. Wow, here na, and we're almost there. Look at the place there, guys. A lot of nice things. They even have a nice decoration of uh, different kind of plants, even upon a fountain where you can do a wish. So here now we're going to walk, roaming around, going there, and then we're almost at the location where we are going to do the event for the graduation. So we walk. Oh, see guys how clean this place, right? Look at that. Oh, even in their restroom, a lot of people there. It's still very clean because there's always somebody to take care of the place. So we're now at the event here at SM. A lot of people waiting to uh, s- witness the event. So here we go. We walk going there and see a lot of people already waiting. There's even a lot of restaurants here also in this location. So this is a place where you can really enjoy your uh, stay or even roaming around. Thank you for watching.